Isa ba sa pinapangarap mo na manirahan sa magandang community? Hindi polluted, at higit sa lahat, secured yung family mo. Then, welcome to your future home here in Anyana Village. Hi, I'm Maniling Garrido, your trusted real estate salesperson from Dreamhouse Realty. Magandang araw mga Dreamhouse! Samahan niyo ako ulit dito sa another house tour dito sa Anyana Village, which is here located in Barangay Sanhan Mayor Tadza, Cavite. For today's house tour guys, i-feature ko na naman sa inyo yung Tokyo Model Unit dito sa Anyana Village. Ang lot area nito guys, 100 square meter where the floor area is 107.35 square meter. This property guys has 4 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, kitchen with service area, may space for living and dining area, vision for 1 carport. Now, let's start the house tour guys. So, this is the actual turnover, Tokyo model. So, ito yung landscape na magiging turnover nyo po. But actually, hindi po siya kasama yung landscape niya. Soil na po siya pagka-turnover. Now, dito naman tayo sa carport nyo. So, ito yung carport natin. Kasya for 1 carport. Pero if kaya nyo ng 2 carports, ay 2 car, pwede naman po. Now, let's check naman dito sa setback ng likod ng property nyo. So, ito yung property na to. Meron po siyang 2 meter setback na meron po siyang, pwede siya gawing laundry and service area po. Now, balik naman tayo sa front. So, since ito yung anong nyo po, carport, yan, pwede mo siya, if ever, pwede mo siya gawin din dito as a tambayan kasi meron po siyang space as a lanai area. Now, let's proceed naman going inside of your property. So, before tayo papasok sa property, meron na po siya dito na ceramic tiles 60 by 60. Now, check naman natin sa loob po. So, yung door natin as a main door, panel door as a metal type po. So, this is the actual turnover of your unit here in a Tokyo model. Again, the floor area po natin dito is 107.35 square meter. We have also dito window in which clear glass. Actually, pwede ito siya ma-open para pasok-labas yung hangin and for good for din ventilation din po. Now, the tiles natin dito is porcelain tiles na. Then, the ceiling natin, mataas na din po siya. Yung mga wall natin, fully painted na as a complete turnover. Nakaabang na din po yung mga tiles or naka-ready na po yung outlets. Then may mga switches na din po tayo dito. So since yun po ang maging living area mo, and this is your dining area. So this is your kitchen. Granite countertop na po yung quality ng kitchen natin. Meron na po siyang double tub sink or stand-and sink na meron siyang gooseneck faucet po. Then also we had also here the window po, which is clear glass. Then meron na din po tayo dito access to your lanai of your door po, a glass type. So, yun, ang kagandahan dito, sobrang maaliwalas, sobrang mahangin, sobrang ma-fresh. So, ramdam mo yung ambience ng property mo. So, this is access to your carport up to your lanai area. Now, let's check naman the bedroom 1. No, so ito yung bedroom 1 as part of your ground floor or first floor. So, yun, meron na rin po tayo dito a clear glass window. 60 by 60 yung tiles natin. Mataas na din po yung ceiling natin. Fully painted na din po yung mga color natin. Then, naka-ready na din po yung mga outlets. Yan. Now, check naman natin yung another part of your property here. So, toilet and bath natin dito. Meron na din siya complete, of course. May shower na din po siya. toilet bowl with water closet, lavatory, and window po. For good for ventilation and source of natural light. Then, naka-ready na din po yung lagay ng sabon natin, which is a HCG brand. Then, may tissue holder na din po siya. Then, if ever mag-install kayo ng heater, naka-ready na din po yung outlet natin dito. Then, yung tiles natin dito, naka-ceramic tiles naman siya, 30 by 30. Then, hanggang dito, then some part of your toilet and bath, naka-fully painted naman po siya. By the way, yung door natin dito, PVC type. Now, check naman natin yung second floor. So, sa second floor natin, kung napapansin nyo, before tayo aakyat, meron pa tayo another space dito. Pwede mo siya magagamit as another purposes. Now, so again, this is the actual turnover. Yung fourth step natin dito is wooden type, but premium quality. Also, yung hang railings natin is a metal na din po siya. Now, going upstairs to second floor. So, yung kung ano nakikita nyo, this is the actual turnover of your Tokyo model po. So, dito pa lang banda sa hagdan natin, meron natin tayong dito open window clear glass. And of course, na-open din po siya. Now, check naman natin another bedroom, which is a bedroom 2. So, ito yung bedroom 2 nyo. Meron na po siyang dalawang powder-coated aluminum with clear glass. Good for ventilation and natural light. Naka-vinyl na din po yung floor natin as a premium quality. Yung ceiling natin, mataas na din po siya. Yung door naman natin, wooden type but a premium quality. Check naman natin yung before entering the bedroom 2, meron tayo dito toilet and bath dito sa second floor. Pwede mag-sharing as a common toilet and bath. So, yung dito sa toilet and bath natin, complete na din po siya. Meron na po siyang shower, lavatory, toilet and bowl with water closet. Then, may lagay na din po tayo ng sabon, tissue, and of course, meron na po siya naka-reading outlet dito po. Then, PVC type na din po yung door natin. Of course, yung tiles natin, naka 30 by 30, 60, 30 by 30 ceramic tiles. May door, window na din tayo, good for source of natural light and good for ventilation. Now, check naman natin yung bedroom 3. So, bedroom 3, yung door natin dito, wooden type, again, as a premium quality. May malaking bintana po tayo dito as a sliding window, as a powder-coated aluminum. Of course, meron dito yung window dito with a clear glass. So, actually, na-open dito sa baba. So, nakaabang na din po yung mga outlets. Here, yung floor natin, vinyl type as a premium quality. Yung ceiling natin, mataas na din po. So, ang napapansin nyo, fully painted na din po talaga. Wala na kayong i-renovate, dadagdagan nyo na lang po as interior design. Now, check naman natin yung master bedroom. So, this is a master bedroom. So, ito. Ito yung master bedroom po natin, which meron na rin po tayo dito, toilet and bath, window with a clear glass. Pwede na rin siya ma-open. Same lang po, halos features dito. Meron rin na abang outlet, yung vinyl natin, floor type, vinyl type. Ceiling natin, mataas na din po siya. And yung door natin dito is a wooden type. So now, check naman natin, again, this is the actual turnover. Check naman natin yung modern dress-up unit, guys. Hey guys, ito po yung modern dress-up unit ng Tokyo model. Tara, samahan niyo po ako. So again, this is a model dress-up unit. So upon turnover, nilagyan nila ito ng cover ng carport mo. But actually, this is a model dress-up unit na to, guys, ha. So, yun. Check naman natin yung lanay area here. So, sa space mo dito, pwede ka po dito, another gumawa as a mini garden. Then, yung setback natin dito, here sa likod ng property mo, around 2 meters. Here. Yan, naglagay na po sila dito ng yung ano ng aircon po. Now, check naman natin dito or balik tayo sa loob. So, again, nakasya po dito yung 1 car po. So, upon entering, by the way, this sa facade of your property, naglagay na sila dito ng landscape ng property. So, this a model or the model this up unit. So, again, naka 60 by 60 yung tiles natin dito as a ceramic. Okay. Okay, this is a model dress-up unit. Ito po yung outcome pag may mga nagkaroon ng interior design or may furnitures na as your living area. And this is your dining area. And meron din po siya ditong access to your carport or lanai. This is your kitchen. May mga cabinets na. This is your toilet and bath. So, and this is your bedroom 1, part of your first floor. Now, check naman natin yung stairs natin papunta sa second floor. If napapansin nyo, glass type na po. Then, pinalitan yung color ng footstep. So, this is the second floor. This is bedroom 1. Toilet and bath. Bedroom 3. Master bedroom. So, nakita nyo na yung actual turnover and the model dress-up unit dito sa Tokyo Model. If you're really interested, and if you want to schedule the tripping and hopefully for reservation, message nyo po ako for assisting your future home. Again, I'm Manilyn Garrido, your trusted real estate salesperson from Dream House CLT. See you soon. Thank you for Dream House.